Hello everyone! Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here, and Mike, and
Peter.
We are at Pickerton. We only have a half day at Pickerton, or less for Pete, because we had a bit of an adventure this morning. Met some really nice fellas, really nice miners. They invited us out to their claim to check things out. So it put us a bit late getting to Pickerton, but we're here, and in my first pan, my first picker. In Mikey's first pan, his first picker.
There's yours.
In Pete's first pan,
He hasn't panned it yet.
Yeah.
he hasn't panned it out
In
yet.
all fairness.
Yeah. So, we're hoping it's a good day. Hope you enjoy. Ooh, it's hot out here. This is going to be the first time this year I've had to take my hat, dip it in the creek just to keep myself cool. Probably 25 degrees out here right now, and I am cooking. Woo, that's cold though. That'll bring the temperature down quick. Well, my next two pans didn't have any pickers in them, but let's go for a forest. Well, unfortunately, Pete has to leave early today, and Mike's riding with Pete, so the two of them are off. I'm going to stick around and see if I can get some more pickers. Mike found a picker. Yep. Pete found about 5 billion pieces of flour gold. I've got one picker so far, a bunch of little bit pieces. And I'm going to continue trying to clean the bedrock. Really need a vacuum. And see if there's any more pickers in this hole. What do you think, Pete?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yep. Potential.
Potential.
Big gold potential in this one.
Just got to find the big gold. It's tough.
As Dan would say, see you later.
That's not what I
Keep
say.
the sticks on your ice.
Do you not watch my videos? What do I say?
I'd like to thank all my patrons out there. If you like the video, click here and subscribe. And leave a comment. I always like to hear comments, especially about my awesome beard.
It's until the next one. Bye.
Oh, that's how it goes.
On the next one. Bye.
I'm not done yet, though. Killer hot day out here.
Yeah. Coming up. Okay, thanks, Jay.
Yeah, see you guys. Yeah, last night sitting around the hotel lobby, we met a couple other miners, both named John and John. And they're talking about the claim they just got between Lytton and Lillooet. And then they invited us out to check it out. So we ended up spending the morning on their claim. And as we were there, we met 3 other miners from the neighboring claim. And, 10 of us or whatever were just sitting around BSing for a while. It was a great morning just talking with other miners. It was nice to meet all of them. If you guys are watching, hi. So we only ended up, Mike and Pete were only here for about 45 minutes. I probably only have an hour or more before I have to go. So it'll be just a quick day at Pickerton in the sunshine, getting a suntan. I've already got one picker, so I'm happy for the day. Though, of course, I'd like more. Spring is right around the corner. Any day now, this water's going to start rising, and we'll be out of this claim for a few months. It's crazy, the Fraser River gets way up here. So, I'm going to dig a few more in my hole I've been working at, then I'm going to go explore and try some new spots. Got to find a new hot spot. And here is why I love Pickerton. A small nugget and a very large picker. Absolutely love Pickerton. I have to admit I've done about 30 pans with almost nothing, but it's worth it to find a few of those. I'm going back to that spot. Woohoo! Yes, that's a Fraser River nugget right there. Not often you find them. And the very next pan, another picker. Lots of little stuff as well. But another picker in the very next pan. I'm on a good spot. And the next pan, one more picker. Plus a bunch of little stuff. But nice big flat flake. Big enough I'd call a picker. I think I just found where the gold is hiding. I tried somewhere new and woohoo! That would be 5 good pickers in one pan. Yes, just one pan. There's a bunch of fine gold all the way up across the top, but 5 nice pickers. And the sun's going down and it's getting cold just as I find the gold. Oh no! Well, I was on good gold before too. This is turning out to be a great day at Pickerton. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This could be huge. I have no idea. But I saw a little piece of gold, so I wiped it with my finger. I have no idea what's behind here. Look at that. I don't know how big this is. Oh, it's not moving. It's huge. Come on out. Come on, you bastard. Woohoo! I now know where this gold comes from. I know what this gold is. This is frickin' old gold. This is original Fraser River, virgin ground, untouched gold. Oh my goodness. Oh, I might not be able to go home tonight. I'm calling my wife right now. I see another big flake right there. Right beside where the nugget just pulled out of. This thing could be loaded. This is right where I got those 5 pickers in my last pan. I've already seen one picker go in the pan. There's one there. That frickin' huge nugget. I will be working this until midnight tonight, I'm sure. I just found a frickin' huge nugget. Probably the second largest one I've found, and both of them have been here at Pickerton. I filmed everything. I filmed the yippee-ki-ying. I filmed where it was in the dirt. I filmed me picking it out of the dirt. I filmed everything. And now I realize I probably don't want to use that footage in my video because it shows exactly where the gold came from. And I didn't just find one nugget there. I found a lot more gold. I am worried about claim jumpers, so I might not put all of that footage in here. I will show you the nugget in a second. It's amazing. But the nugget came from the same place the dirt in this pan came from, and I saw at least 3 pickers go in here, and who knows how much more. This could be insane. This pan could be unbelievable. And now I know where the gold is hiding in Pickerton. Up to now it's been very elusive, not giving up its secrets. Today it gave up its secret. I know where to find gold on Pickerton, and I think I can do it consistently. nugget I just pulled out, I'm guessing, is probably 2 grams, if not higher. I saw it in the dirt before it even went into my pan. It was just sitting there in the clay. It's now in my sucker bottle. I am so excited. I don't think I'll be leaving this claim tonight. I'll be walking out of here in the dark, I'm sure. Should I do the reveal on camera and not even look at it myself first? I think I'm gonna try that, because this could be crazy. Okay, I have no idea. Let's bring the camera out to the sunlight. Here we go. Can I do this backwards? Is it on camera? Uh-oh, there we go. Holy smokes! That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pickers in one pan. 11 Pickerton pickers in one frickin' pan. Plus, well, here, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna put all those pickers in my sucker bottle and then show you what I got in total here. Picking up 4 pickers at once. The little stuff. Almost not worth sucking up the little stuff after that. Okay. I gotta show you this nugget. Woo! Bye-bye pan. Let's get this camera on this pan. Get ready for it. Here it comes. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, that could be up around 3 grams even. I'm not sure. I can't even guess that when they get this big. Galore. Where's the sun? Here's the sun. Is that in the camera? I can't even tell if it's in the camera. Look at that. Woohoo! Here we go, the very next pan. 1 nugget, 9 pickers, and a bunch of small flake. I have uncovered the secret to Pickerton. I am so excited. It's getting dark. If I had all day, I could pull a ½ ounce out of here, I think. Okay, that might be a bit much. I could pull a ¼ ounce. Who knows, maybe more. If I could get that in every pan. And again, I'm on it. Pickers, pickers everywhere. And you know, a bunch of fine gold as well, all around. But the big pickers. Well, even though I want to continue that forever, my stomach is more than telling me I need dinner in a big way. And I don't have any food with me. I don't even have a little snack. So I am going to call it quits for today, but I will be back very soon. And I am actually going to clear out that whole area before I even release this video, because I am worried about claim jumpers. And honestly, I could get half an ounce. I get a quarter to half an ounce just panning there, if it keeps up the way it is. If it keeps up. So before I release this video, I will make sure at least the one spot I'm working is done. But I now know the secret. I know how to find it on this claim. And looking around, I think I can see spots everywhere. I hope you're all as excited as I am about the future here, because wow! So please comment, subscribe, share and like and all those things. And thank you so much to my patrons out there for supporting me and letting me make these YouTube videos for everyone to watch. So until the next video, which hopefully will be really soon, bye.